Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically generate AI stickers now on Instagram. So this is a new feature that Instagram has. I'm just going to select a chat here and I'm going to go to the stickers tab down here. Then there's going to be just an AI stickers tab. You're just going to select that. And here you can create anything you want. There are options here if you're confused on what you want to do. I'm just going to type in, cute duck eating, cute duck skateboarding. And I'm going to select generate and see what will come up. It's actually pretty quick since this is AI, but I got this cute duck riding a skateboard, so I'm just going to select it. You can also see more here if you did not get what you want, but I quite like this one with the background, and it's going to send that. And that is pretty much how you can generate AI stickers on Instagram and send it to your friends. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.